What is going on, guys? In today's video, we are going to officially be painting the E36 M3. I am beyond ecstatic, super excited. I can't believe that my car is in the booth right now, fully like ready to be painted today. I'm just in awe, honestly. Been waiting for this moment for a really long time. Before I start explaining what's been done here really fast, I just want to talk about all of you that tuned into the last vlog. I really appreciate you. I know it was a really long one, so this one I'm not trying to like show too much of the bodywork side, because if I do, it's gonna be like an hour-long vlog. So bodywork side being like masking and all the boring stuff, like honestly, all he does is tape up the edges and then put this plastic cover to prevent paint from going into the areas that you don't want it to go to. So that's all it is. So I feel like seeing the masking being done is kind of redundant. Seeing the mask completed is like really nice to see. So as you can see, the windshield is completely masked off, the motor, the fender, the passenger fender is going to be painted separately. That's why it's not there, and that's why the driver one is still on. So this is all masked off, the wheels, the side skirts, the parts that don't need to be painted, the entire window obviously. The trim is obviously left alone because, like I said in the last vlog, we're going to want to paint all this and also address the rust that was here, which has pretty much been sanded down now. Now we just need to paint over it. The exhaust, the whole bottom end, this whole part needs to be painted. That's why it's still exposed and not masked off. And this whole, all these holes that could potentially allow paint to come shooting into the car, the gas cap area, the door handle, the keyhole, all that stuff, all that good stuff, all that jazz is completely masked off. So it's really exciting. I'm super hyped and I'm super excited. Basically, it's like 2 o'clock now. All morning we've just been masking this thing off. And I've just been running around making like weird TikToks and shit. I don't even know who I am right now, honestly. So we're gonna call this the time-lapse camera. This is the camera that's gonna basically have this exact view or something close to this. And that's what's gonna allow it to basically get coverage of the entire car, and it'll be time-lapsed. So that's always cool. Basically the time-lapse will be super fast and it'll be straight out of the camera, no editing involved. So that will be nice and smooth. And then we're gonna have a camera on Best Service Auto Body's co-owner, Euro. He's gonna be wearing a strapped GoPro on his forehead. So you guys will get a point of view shot of him basically painting the car. So I figured that would be really freaking cool to see, and another angle. And then we're gonna have another point of view, which is mine. I'm just gonna be holding down the vlog and giving you guys shots as best as I can that's worth putting with music playing in the background. This entire journey has been waiting for this moment, the moment of painting the E36. The paint job is the most important part. It's the most satisfying part. It's the most, just the best part to watch and witness. It's just, to me, the paint job is the most important part, honestly. I know like putting it back together is also very important, like everything the way it should be, but to me, the paint job is the most satisfying, most important, most cool, most amazing part of this entire process. So stay tuned, guys. We're just gonna wait up until the guys are off of lunch and they come back, and then we're gonna start and beginning the paint process. I'm not even gonna show you guys us painting and mixing the paint and shit in the back. I'll probably show it a little, but the majority, the main show is right here. So 4 cameras on this car. I hope you guys are super excited. If you guys are, leave a like right now and let me know what you guys are thinking of the vlog so far. Let me know, and let's get right down to the nitty gritty. Let's do this. All right, guys, so we looked up my VIN and we got my paint code. It is 354, which is titanium silver. We're in the back of the shop at Best Service Auto Body, and in this body shop, the cool thing about it is that they actually mix their paints in-house, which is really cool. Not a lot of body shops do this. Like 90% of body shops don't do this, so it's actually crazy how they just mix and make the paint. In the back room, they mix it, they get it already by basically looking up the variables and shit, so it tells you how much amount of what paint you need to make the coat, to make the mix. And then he follows, so right now he's doing flop control, right? And it's 5.0, so he's gonna go up to 5.0 on the scale, if you can see. And that's basically how he mixes it. All of that combined gives you titanium silver. So once we knock this out, we can begin the painting process. So fingers crossed. All right, guys, so we're pretty much locked in and ready to go. We got the camera, the time-lapse camera right over there. We got Euro with the GoPro on his forehead, and as you can see, it right there, see his point of view, just to make sure all the angles are good. So we're gonna start right now, and yeah. Let's see how this turns out. Let's do this. we're back in the mixing laboratory in the back of the shop. He's doing another batch of paint for my M3. I'm just back here now. It's like, that was so intense to like watch, take in, and then also film and like make it entertaining and like visible and watchable for you guys. Cause that was nuts. Like, that was crazy. We have to do that another 3 times. That's nuts. Alright guys, it's really hard to contain my excitement, but this shit looks freaking nuts. Check this out. So this is just one coat of clear. We're about to do the second coat right now. It's been about 30 minutes or so. It looks amazing. Like, it looks so crazy. I really do wish that we were doing my LTW wing right now, but we can't because we have to do that with the trunk and the hood anyway. But bro, this looks freaking crazy. I can't believe this is my car. Like, look at it. It looks amazing. Like, check it out. It looks like a showroom condition brand new car, bro. Alright guys, so we are officially done painting the E36. Can't believe it. I can't believe this is my car. You guys ready? Alright. Here she is, 2 base coats, 2 clear coats, and the car looks freaking pristine. I can't stress enough that the work that Best Service Auto Body put into this car is honestly unreal. All the body work that they did before the paint really shows now because the paint is just one smooth, continuous layer, and it looks absolutely fantastic. I can't explain. I hope the camera does it justice. This looks freaking amazing. Like, I don't know what else to say. I can't believe this is the same car that I crashed. This doesn't even look like a 20-year-old car right now. It looks like a freaking, I don't even know, it looks like a car out of the future or something, man, honestly. I've seen cars, 2020 cars, with like, they don't look good as this. Obviously, because this has fresh paint, but man, I'm kind of emotional right now because it's crazy. Because like, oh man, I've waited so long for this. It's honestly unreal. I can't believe that this is my car. It's crazy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. In tomorrow's video, I'm gonna make it a separate video because I wanted this one to just be a paint montage. Tomorrow we're gonna be taking off all the masking tape. We're gonna paint the trunk, we're gonna paint the hood, we're gonna paint the passenger fender, we're gonna put everything together, and then we can slowly start putting the moldings and the trims together. I already ordered it all and shit, but pretty much this car is gonna be done inside of 2 weeks, more or less. So that's honestly insane news, and I'm extremely excited about that. I don't know what else to say, honestly. Like, I can't believe it. I just want to take 1,000 pictures and like save this moment forever. I don't think I'll ever sell this car. Like, this one's, I'm gonna give this to my son one day. This is crazy. Honestly, unbelievable. I can't stop looking at it. Woo! Anyway, guys, thank you for all of you that tuned in to on this entire journey. Actually, thank you for all of you that have been watching since episode 1. We still got 2 or 3 more episodes to go. The finale is gonna be nuts because this car's not gonna look anything like this. It'll have a lot of decent mods on it too. So, you know, it'll not just come out of the shop bone stock, you know. But anyway, guys, that pretty much does it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace out.